Check out 270 Trout Creek Drive. A great investment property, year-round rental, vacation home, or make it your permanent residence. This is an extremely well-maintained home with many recent renovations and comes fully furnished. Relax on the huge deck overlooking the wide flowing creek that feeds Arrowhead Lake. North Arrowhead Lake is 86 acres and Arrowhead Lake is 235 acres. Arrowhead stocks rainbow trout annually. There are also bass, walleye, perch, panfish, and pickerel in the lakes. Fish from your own backyard. In the cooler months, opus enjoy the wood-burning fireplace in the living room, or sit around the outside fire pit. The first level of this beautiful home has 2 bedrooms including a master bedroom and a private deck with a view of the creek. Sleep with the sliding glass door open and the sound of the creek will lull you to sleep. A newly remodeled full bathroom, kitchen, walk-in pantry, living and dining area complete the first floor. The spiral staircase will lead you to the loft where there is additional sleeping space. The lower level can be used as a guest house, or if you desire, you can connect the first floor with this level. This lower walkout level has a private bedroom, full bath, utility closet with shelves for storage, living and dining area. There are endless options with this house. Arrowhead community has beaches, lakes, pools, snack bars, parks, tennis courts, horseshoe pits, and pavilions with